We're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start by standing and saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Our right hand goes over our heart. That's one. Eyes are on the flag. And we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same one goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, it is February, and today we thought we would have lots of snow, but not so much showed up today. It is the 11th day of February. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Days of the week. Snap, clap, clap. Snap, snap. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, and today is Thursday, February 11th, 2021. We're going to go ahead and move our star off. We're going to work on our pattern. Remember, it's groundhog and heart. So let's say it together. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog, heart, heart. Groundhog, groundhog, heart. Wonderful. Right, we're going on. What kind of weather we predicted? Sunny. It's not sunny out there. What kind of weather is out there? Snow. It is snowing right now. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? There's one more down there.
Oh, they said snowy too.
Oh, they did say snowy. All right, sunny weather for tomorrow. Oh, my. Here we go. Most days I'd say yay. I really wanted some more snow. All right, let's say the alphabet together. I want to hear everybody's voice. Here we go. A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H, I, J,
L,
M,
N,
O, P, Q, R, S,
T,
U, V,
W,
X,
I, C. Beautiful. All right, we're counting to 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Nice big voice. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. All right, let's take a look at some shapes. What shape is yellow? Star. What shape is brown? Ooh.
Is this brown? It's brown.
my oval? Gray. This is gray. This is brown. Brown and gray. Two different colors. My square is brown. My oval is gray. All right. What color is sadness?
Blue.
Blue. What color is my Oreo?
Black.
Black. And what color is anger?
Red.
Red. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, down the mouse ran. Hickory Dickory Dock. All right, what number is this? 10. This one.
4.
4.
7.
7.
9.
9. We might need this. What number? 1. What number? 5. All right, we'll work on the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, and U. We are working on the letter C this week. C says like in cookie. Carl, cat, and Cogsworth. Let's see Cogsworth. And we're going to go ahead and sing. Right here. And we're going to get out our pieces to make the letter C. It's not showing. There it goes. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it
At the top. Take out your big curve. Put it at the top of your mat. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top? Show me
It's the top. Good.
Reach up. Show me that top.
Way up. It's at the top. Yes, it's the top.
Reach out and touch the top.
Here we go. Going down.
Reach down. Good. Show me the bottom.
Way down.
It's at the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Good. Top, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle.
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
All right. Yep. All right. We are making the letter C. So we're going to go ahead and grab our big curve and put it on our mat. Today we're going to practice by flipping over our mat once we filled it one time here. So we're going to go ahead and sing about where we start our letter. I think it's that. Yeah. Here we go. Fingers at the top, and we sing. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. Good. And remember to, when we're doing it, we point to the C that looks good, and then you point to yourself with your thumbs to me. All right, let's go ahead and flip over. My friends here, flip over. Put your magic C on your Mr. Matt, so you don't have your guide anymore. Take your big curve off. Flip it over. Take your big curve off. Flip your mat over.
You had it right, Carter.
Over. Flip it over.
Good job, bud.
Pick up your mat and flip it over.
Blue side. Mr.
That's
Matt's smiling
curved.
face is at the top.
Over.
Mr. Matt's smiling face should be
Flip
at the
over.
top.
Should be at the top. Yep. There you go. Yep, you had it right, buddy. Flip it over. Yep. Flip. All right. Let's put our big curve on our mat. And let's try it again. Are we ready?
Yeah. Good.
Here we go. Oops, sorry. Here we go. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. Pointing, magic C looks good to me. Remember, you're pointing to your own magic C. You're pointing to your own magic C. Let's try one more time. Here we go. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. Point to your C.
Magic C.
Then point to yourself. Very nice. All right. Tomorrow, we're not going to have our guide. We're just using Mr. Matt all by himself. All righty. Thank you.